Azure Standard is the best place to buy organic and non-GMO foods. However, shopping with them is a different experience than going to your traditional retailer.
We're going to answer some of the top questions that new customers have, and make sure you stay until the end because we're going to be sharing some information that even Azure veterans can learn from.
So how long has Azure Standard been around?
Azure Standard was founded in 1987 and is 35 years old.
The Azure family has been farming without the use of chemical fertilizers since 1971, but they've been farming their lands as early as the 1950s.
Are all Azure Standard products organic?
No. While Azure feels that certified organic foods are the healthiest choice a customer can make, not all items listed on their website are truly organic for various reasons.
All vendors who sell with Azure are required to sign a non-GMO verification letter if they are not already certified non-GMO. So at the very least, all of the Azure products are non-GMO.
Azure believes that these non-GMO foods are great stepping stones for those who are looking to lead a healthier lifestyle but may not be able to afford the high cost of certified organic foods. Does Azure Standard have a set of product standards?
They most certainly do. When it comes to their food items, they have an unacceptable ingredients list that includes but is not limited to the following: artificial colors, flavors, preservatives and sweeteners, refined sugars, fluoride, MSG, and everything must be non-GMO.
Azure requires that for all new vendors that sell with them, that if any of their products contain the ingredient label natural flavors, that those do not include a long list of ingredients that Azure has deemed to be unacceptable to their quality standards. Now, we aren't going to go in depth regarding the hazards of eating foods that contain the ingredient label natural flavors, but in short, this is a label that covers a whole host of chemicals, and despite the name, many of them are not natural.
Check out the link in the description to see the full list and learn more about Azure Standard's core values.
Can I buy fresh produce from Azure?
Yes, you can. While Azure is known for their bulk dried goods, they also offer a large variety of fresh produce. Most of their produce is available year-round, but some of it is only available seasonally. We've regularly ordered their carrots, onions, lemons, and potatoes. Be sure to check out our top 10 Azure Standards food video for more of our favorites. Does Azure sell non-food products?
They do. When many people make a transition towards a healthier lifestyle, they generally begin with their diet. However, as you embark on this journey, you may quickly realize that many things that you also put on or around your body are also toxic.
Azure offers a whole host of other toxic-free products ranging from bath and beauty, cleaning supplies, and food storage solutions.
We've covered many of these in our top 10 Azure products video, so be sure to check that out after watching this. Can I suggest a product for Azure to sell?
Yes, you can. There's a link on Azure Standard's website at the bottom of their homepage. It will take you to a form to fill out where you can request a product to be added to their lineup.
As long as the producer follows practices of using natural ingredients, has sustainable manufacturing, and is a fit for Azure's core values, they will gladly consider customer product suggestions.
Do I have to order in bulk?
No. This is a common misconception with Azure Standard. Many other bulk food retailers like Sam's Club and Costco rarely offer non-bulk options, but Azure Standard is very different.
For virtually every product on their website, there are small, medium, and bulk options available. Obviously, you will get the most bang for your buck when selecting the bulk food sizes. However, it's wonderful that there are smaller packaging options available.
We tend to order the bulk food sizes for items that we order regularly and know that we already love, and we take advantage of the small packaging when we're trying an item out for the first time.
When we first tried the raw clover honey, we started with the 2.5 pound small bear instead of going all in and getting the whole 12 pounds at once.
It's 12 pounds. We get the 12 pounds now.
Yeah.
Is there a minimum order size?
No, for individuals you can place any sized order. However, be aware that for individual orders under $50, there is a small $5 handling fee.
So you've got no excuse. If you've been looking to try Azure Standard out for the first time, place a small order and see if it's a fit for you and your family.
Will my frozen items melt on the drive home?
No. Azure Standard offers many frozen goods that you can order, and they remain frozen while in transit on their climate-controlled trucks. Now, some Azure customers can drive upwards of an hour to their drop location, so we understand that there can be some concerns that those items may melt on the drive home.
The freezers on these trucks seem to be colder than the North Pole because we've never had any issues with anything melting on our drive home.
How do I know when my order will arrive?
Azure is unable to offer a delivery schedule that will always occur on the same day and time for your specific drop. After you've selected your drop location and view your cart, Azure provides you with an estimate of the week that your items will be delivered. They are approximately 30 days apart, but that can vary slightly.
After your order is finalized and it has been shipped, you will receive a notification as to the actual scheduled delivery date and time. Now, if you can't make it, contact your drop coordinator immediately because they may be able to assist you with making other arrangements for pickup.
What if I'm missing an item from my order?
Azure Standard is very efficient at packaging these orders, and many items may all be contained within the same box. Now, for each order, Azure will let you know how many boxes you should expect at your pickup. It's very important that you count your boxes before you leave. If you're missing a box, contact your drop coordinator immediately, and they'll be able to assist you with the next steps, which may involve contacting customer service.
If you made it home with the correct number of boxes but an item is missing, first check your order to verify that the item did ship. Sometimes an item could be out of stock at the time that your order shipped. If your order confirmation indicates that the item did ship but you do not have it, contact customer service immediately and they will be able to assist you with correcting the issue.
So can anyone become a drop coordinator?
Absolutely. If there is no drop in your area, or if a drop has become almost too large and it makes logistical sense to split the drop, you could even become a drop coordinator. What are the drop coordinator's responsibilities?
The responsibilities are minimal, but it does require more than just showing up to each drop. The drop coordinator is the primary source of communication for that community. They will assist of notifying members of any changes to the drop schedule, procedures, and they should also become familiar with Azure's credit and return policy so they can assist members with any problems they may encounter. Please let us know if you would like to learn more because we're considering making a video with our very own drop coordinator.
Be sure to check out our Azure Standard FAQ playlist to learn more, or watch this haul video next to see what one of our typical orders looks like. Thank you for watching, and remember to live free and find your purpose.